So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be lifting up your lower third with some threads, with PDO threads, and then we're actually going to be building your chin. So doing the two together, which we call combination therapies, is going to be really synergistic and nice. So you're going to feel a little buzzer like this, and this just helps to minimize feeling any needle poke. So the first thing you're going to feel is you're going to feel just a little bit of numbing right under the skin. And that just gets everything nice and numb so that you don't feel the threads when I place them. So you'll feel a little momentary burn here. How is that?
Almost nothing.
Almost nothing. Perfect. So that side's numb now. So here are our PDO threads, and these are Novathreads. So we're going to put 4 different vectors here. These threads are really nice. As you probably learned from your research, your skin replaces them with collagen, and it just continues to improve the skin over time. Come right down here, grab the jowl, and we bring it up. Beautiful. So that brings up the jowl really nicely. Are you feeling much pain or no?
Mm-hmm.
Good. What would you say pain-wise, scale of 1 to 10?
2.
Great.
It's just the pokes, that's all. But
Yeah.
over time, it goes away.
Good. So this is really the 2 vectors here: superlateral, mid-face, lower third, jawline. This is what we like to see. So that alone, you can see what it's done for the jowl compared to here. I'm gonna do a little fillers now to your chin to finish this side. So this is Restylane Defyne, which I really love for chin augmentation. It's such a smooth filler, but it has just enough lift to it to give a nice smooth chin aug. And the really nice thing I like about fillers is that I can customize this. So I can just build out all the way from the chin to connect to the jowl there. And this is the cannula technique for chin augmentation. Restylane Defyne and Restylane Lift are my favorite chin augmentation products. The nice thing about Defyne is that we can come right up to the corner of the mouth here as well. And because of its technology, it doesn't look clumpy. And so when you move and talk, and especially in delicate areas like around the mouth, it just blends with the skin so nicely that you can't tell that there's any filler there. The corner of the mouth area, and really anything around the mouth, tends to metabolize a little bit faster than different areas of the face, just because there is obviously a lot of movement there. In the chin itself though, there's not a lot of movement, so it tends to last a little bit longer, but for the corners of the mouth, we often will have to do a little touch-up around 6 months. But the chin itself is gonna last a good year. See, with this cannula technique, I can go different depths. Here, I'm just under the skin, and then here, I'm on the bone. So it's really amazing for multi-layer sculpting. This is really what this is. This is just real-life sculpting. We can really see a smooth transition between the chin and this jowl. I mean, the jowl is really not evident anymore. You see how smooth it is. So this is her sitting up, no jowl, versus this side, big jowl. And you're gonna be so happy.
I can feel it already.
Instant tightening. One of my favorite things to do is combine threads with filler, because it's really addressing the different dimensions of aging. We're addressing the descent, the ptosis, and now we're also addressing the volume loss. With Defyne, I'm able to get into the corner and inject superficially. Then I'm also able to really go deep on the bone to build the chin. Okay, just need to trim the threads and then I'll show you what we did. All right. Okay, you ready to see this? Take a look.
Oh my God, I look so young. I'll get out tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Oh my God.
What a result, huh?
Yes, it is.
You see what happens when you do lifting and building? It's like, it's magic. It's like, it's amazing. You look great.
I look so nice.
Dude, it came out really, really nice. Yeah, it's like,
The whole thing is like lifted. I can
Yeah.
feel it. I feel really, really good.